Army sergeant from Pittsfield was honored today at Fenway Westfield for the 9th annual 9/11 Memorial Wiffle Ball Tournament. 24-year-old Sergeant Glenn Allison died on December 3rd of 2003 in Iraq. His family was at the tournament that started today and runs all weekend. The tournament honors fallen members of the U.S. military and their families every year.
I think it's unbelievable. There's a lot of kids that have lost their parents or whatever in the war, but the support means a lot.
Half of the proceeds for the event go to the Community Christian School in Westfield, and the other half goes to the Massachusetts Soldiers Legacy Fund to assist families of fallen soldiers. The Soldiers Legacy Fund goes to helping the families of fallen soldiers.